I got the slash 4x4 out here. Let's see what I can do. I done crashed this car last couple of times. I done ran it, so let's see if I can get a decent pass in today. I've been having issues. Let's see if I can get a good pass in. Yeah, I'm coming. Damn it. It always lose it right there. Oh, the car done broke in half. Oh yeah, this was a super crash right here. Oh yeah, car done broke in half. Damn it. Alright, guess this one won't be back for until I can order a whole lot of more parts. These my little heat sinks. I don't know where my other battery at. Okay. Oh, that's bent up. Unplug that. Okay, my ESC is still here. Seems fine. My motor seems fine. Batteries are a little damaged. Let's see what I crashed at just because. GPS stayed there. What did I crash at? 170. 170 crash. I could have got a PB. I had some, oh yeah, I had some space left. Man, I could have got a PB out of it, like 173 or something. But, all right, this is what my crash got me. 170 mile per hour crash. What else? I done broke. Let's see here. You know, I done bent one of these arms. This arm is bent. Bent that. Broke the whole chassis. What else I done broke? I bent this pole. This is what the spur gear go on. That bent. So, well, that ain't really that bad to me, but, you know, I done broke a lot of stuff. This shock tower's broke right here. Something, I broke this cup right here. Okay, shock tower broke right there. And the cup broke right there. So since I broke the cup, I gotta order the cups, but everything else I think I got. You know, but this is the crash. This is the results. Whole chassis just snapped in half. So yeah, it just snapped in half. So, but it's all good. I ain't really tripping because my ESC is fine, my motor is fine, and them are like the expensive things, so them are fine. I just need a new body. I order a body, order this cup, and I think I'll be up and back rolling because I have everything else, I believe. Hit my local hobby shop. And this is, I got all the parts I need right there, except for the cup and a new body. So I need the cup, I go my chassis, everything I need right there. So I need the cup and the body. That's about it, and I'll be back rolling. So crash just broke a bunch of plastic stuff. I'm gonna rebuild it, bring it back. But get these Saga battery straps, man. This battery ain't go nowhere. Last crashes I had with these straps, they didn't go nowhere. My other ones tore on the bottom, ripped and everything, and the battery still stayed there on my airport crash. So I love them Saga battery straps. I already placed the order for a couple of more sets, so but those are good battery straps. Thank you everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next video. I'm out.